What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we have a Gemini Jets airport update of Buffalo Niagara International Airport. If you guys do enjoy, please leave a like on the video. It only takes 3 seconds and it helps support me so much. Today's video will be a collaboration with Redriveraviation. Please say hello.
Hello.
So yeah, I'd like to thank him so much for joining today's video, and we will dive straight into it. Starting off with the Southwest Boeing 737-800, which will be heading out to Orlando.
Here we have a JetBlue Airbus A320. This is in the high-rise livery, and we'll be doing a departure out to New York JFK.
Next up, we have a American Embraer E175. This is in the new livery, and we'll be doing a flight out to Chicago ORD after the JetBlue aircraft takes off.
Here we have a United Express Mitsubishi CRJ550 operating for a CRJ-700 with non-stop service out to Newark.
Next up, we have a Southwest Boeing 737-800. This is in the Heart 1 livery and is just taxiing past the United Express aircraft for a flight out to Denver.
Here we have an American Eagle Embraer ERJ-175, which will be doing a flight out to Dallas-Fort Worth and is currently loading passengers and crew as well as fuel onto the wing of the aircraft.
Next up, we have a United Express Embraer E175, just loading on the passengers as well as the baggage onto the back of the aircraft before it does a departure flight out to Washington IAD. And it arrived in from a flight from Newark.
Here we have a JetBlue Airbus A320. This is in the Blueberry's tail and will be doing a flight out to Boston and is currently pushing back.
Next up, we have a Southwest Boeing 737-700. This is in the Tennessee 1 livery and is currently loading on passengers and cargo, as well as the crew and baggage, all to the aircraft before it does a flight out to Baltimore.
Here we have a Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-700 in the Heart 1 livery, loading on fuel and passengers as well as catering to the back of the aircraft before doing a flight to Tampa.
Just taxiing past the Southwest gates, we have a Southwest Boeing 737-700. This is in the Florida 1 livery and will be heading out to Orlando MCO. Kind of ironic if you ask me.
Here we have a Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-700. This is in the Heart livery as well, and will be getting catering and fuel done to the aircraft before a flight out to Baltimore or BWI.
Starting off on the other side of the terminal, we have a Delta Boeing 717. Just getting the baggage and fuel and passengers loaded onto the aircraft before it does a flight out to Atlanta, and then it'll be heading back out to here, which is Buffalo Airport.
Here we have a Delta Embraer ERJ-170 currently getting passengers loaded and fuel loaded onto the aircraft before it does a flight out to Detroit.
Then right here we have a Frontier Airbus A320neo. This is in the Champ the Bronco livery and will be doing a departure flight out to Denver. As you can see, it's getting fuel and the crew loaded onto the aircraft. That does conclude today's airport update of Buffalo Niagara International Airport. I hope you guys did enjoy, and if you did, please consider leaving a like. It only takes 2 seconds, but it helps support me so much. And now I will hand the mic over to Red River to talk about his YouTube channel.
Thank you so much, MileHigh Aviation, for having me on your video today. I really enjoyed getting to do the collaboration with you, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you so much once again, MileHigh Aviation. I really enjoyed it. Thank you, guys.
So yes, thank you so much, Red River Aviation, for joining in today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye and have a good rest of your day/night. Thank you and goodbye.